Today I'll be showing you a hot selling product from Ikyem. Paklama. We have two varieties in our cowbells. One is brass embellished and the other one is hand painted. And handle we have leather handle and rope handle. We have various color options in our hand painted cowbells. Blue, nice dark yellow, wonderful orange and a green. These are perfect gifting options for festivals, weddings and corporates. To shop for our beautiful cowbells, drop into our store at T.Nagar and Perambur or log into our website www.ikyem.com. Thank you. Happy shopping.